Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get free stars on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Now search for Telegram channels or bots offering airdrops. Join these channels or bots as instructed by the campaign. Then, complete tasks like sharing content or referring friends. Also, participate in group activities where stars are awarded. Engage with star messages if available in your groups. Be cautious of scams offering free stars, as they may be fraudulent. After that, follow the official Telegram blog updates for new opportunities. Always verify the legitimacy of third-party offers before participating. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.